Hi everyone, good afternoon. So today I'm still right now. It is a mini Shajik and this is a look like very jungle and there are a lot of people. They are moving in the afternoon time right now. And today this is the Friday and there are so many people. This is the Friday is the holiday in our area in our village. There are a lot of company and when they're free they try to come there. And also you can see today the sky is looking very cloudy, absolutely very cloudy, and I am very tired. And also here a lot of people, those I am at the last line, there are a lot of people in front of me. And also I'll try to show before you. There are so many things, so you need to connect with me. Oh my god, what is this? I don't know. Look like this is the, what is this first, or you can see really I don't know what is this. And what is this? Can I show before you? Oh, what is this? I don't know. And look like, oh, absolutely this is very amazing. But if you want to fresh your mind, you need to come here and you can fresh your mind. And also with me, one of my niece. Hi,
How are you?
sure.
Yes.
Okay, so absolutely this is, yeah, jungle look like mini Shajik, absolutely very amazing. I am feeling this area really very wonderful. Look like this area. And if I show before you, this is the, now look like this is really, I'm feeling very well and very good. So if you free when, but if you live any village or if you free anytime, so you need to fresh your mind and you need to move in the jungle or in natural views. Okay, goodbye.